Students, today we're going to understand that how we can make the bisector of an angle without using any compass and without using any ruler. Means we're not going to use geometrical tools to make bisector. Fine, bisector we will make with paper folding. Now the paper which we are using in this activity is a tracing paper. When you go to market, you will find a big paper like this, that is a tracing paper. From that I have taken the piece, this. Okay, so this is today's activity, and the material as I shown you, we need tracing paper, pencil and ruler we're going to use because we're going to draw the angle. Then only we can make the bisector, and glue stick at the last to paste it. Now, this is a tracing paper. You might be thinking, then what is the use of tracing paper? Can't we use a simple paper? Definitely you can use, but in a tracing paper, if you see, if I am going to draw, can you see the impression of my hands also visible? Such a kind of translucent paper. A little you can see like through it. Fine. So it will help us in this activity. Now, first thing is to mark a point anywhere on this paper. Suppose I have marked it here, a point O. Now we need to draw two rays from this point, which is the initial point is O, and two rays I have drawn whose initial point is O. Fine. So you can see this is an angle. Okay, let us give the name to this ray. This is OA and this is OB. Now, angle we have made. Now we need to make the bisector of it. Let us start making. Now, this ray should coincide with this ray. Okay, this ray should coincide with the ray. OB should be exactly coincide with OA. Okay, so you need to fold in a manner. So I am folding. Now what is the use of tracing paper? You can see, I can see the second ray out of this paper, and you can see I am folding. So then you can press it properly. Fine. So when we open it, you can see there is a crease, which is the line of symmetry for this angle. Means this angle is overlapping, like one ray of is overlapping the another ray. Okay, and when you open it, this crease you find, and this crease is the line of symmetry, and the line of symmetry of an angle is always the angle bisector. So you can see we can find it very much easily. So you need to do only this thing. Then if you want, you can just draw the line on this crease with the pencil, and you can give another name OC. Okay, we have observed here that line of symmetry of an angle is the angle bisector. So this we can write in observation. Fine. And we can write here, we observe that. Fine. So this is the observation you can write, and anything else you want to write, point of observation, you can write it yourself. So that's all for today, student. Thank you so much.